This is All India Radio Shillong, the Northeast News Bulletin read by Arundhati Paul. In Meghalaya, the turnout of voters in the elections to the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council and Jaiñtia Hills Autonomous District Council was 76.63% and 85.60% respectively. Despite inclement weather, people came out in large numbers to vote in various polling stations. No untoward incident was reported during the polling. 7 electronic voting machines developed technical snags in Khasi Hills and 6 EVMs in Jaiñtia Hills, after which they were replaced immediately. Major political parties in the fray include the ruling National People's Party, United Democratic Party, Hill State People's Democratic Party, People's Democratic Front, and Khun Unit Trep National Awakening Movement, and the Opposition Congress. There are 19 independent candidates each in KHADC and JHADC. A total of 131 candidates are in the fray in KHADC and 101 candidates in JHADC contesting. Both the councils have 29 seats each. Counting of votes will take place on Saturday. Assam Chief Minister Sarbananda Sonowal has launched the Parents' Responsibility and Norms for Accountability and Monitoring (PRA-NAM) Commission, a panel set up to look after issues concerning a bill for protection of parents of state government employees. Launching the Pranam at Guwahati, Sonowal said, "It is an effort to protect elderly parents of government employees in their times of need." The Assam government would ensure that no state government employee should ignore their elderly parents and unmarried differently abled siblings. The Pranam bill, which was approved by the cabinet last year, makes it mandatory for state government employees to look after their parents and unmarried Divyang siblings who do not have their own sources of income. Another body of a trapped coal miner was recovered in East Jaiñtia Hills district of Meghalaya yesterday by a joint team of NDRF and Indian Navy. The body was retrieved from a 200 feet deep rat hole mine and the help of underwater ROV. The body was dispatched to Civil Hospital, Cleriat, for post-mortem and further necessary action. Of the 15 trapped miners trapped since December 13th last year, the Navy has retrieved only one body on January 23rd, identified as Amir Hussain from Assam's Chirang district. The operation is still on to retrieve other bodies that have been detected inside the rat hole coal mine. In Mizoram, 3 persons were killed and 2 others injured when a car, which was part of the entourage of Mizoram Home Minister Lalchamliana, rolled down a steep gorge in Lunglei district yesterday. The incident happened near Tawipuri North village of the district when the minister's convoy was on its way to Aizawl from Vathampui village in Lunglei district. Those killed in the accident were a police driver, 2 Mizo National Front workers, all of them residents of Aizawl. 2 injured persons were taken to Lunglei District Hospital. Tripura Chief Minister Biplab Kumar said that his government has made efforts to weed out corruption, nepotism and irregularities in government recruitment process soon after coming to power last year. He said that by introducing the Fair Employment Policy for jobs, his government ensured that the state's youth benefited from it. Deb told the Assembly that the government has recruited 983 teachers through the Teachers' Eligibility Test conducted by the Teachers' Recruitment Board in his reply to BJP MLA Ranjit Das, who sought to know the practical plans of the government for unemployed youths of the state. Deb also said that his government attached a lot of importance to tourism potential for creating new jobs, and his government has been working on a series of realistic plans and programs to ensure jobs for unemployed youths. Manipur Chief Minister NDRF yesterday launched La Bike, a mobile laboratory system fitted on motorcycle, which would provide diagnostic facilities at people's doorstep in the state. Launching function was held at the main auditorium of JNIMS Imphal East. Speaking on the occasion, the Chief Minister said that the La Bike has been started in some states of the country. Such portable equipment would be facilitating its laboratory services at the doorsteps of the people. And with this, we end the Northeast News Bulletin from All India Radio, Shillong. Have a nice day.